Hello students. This is R. Kanayeshwar, your biology teacher. Yesterday we discussed about the topic is male reproductive system. Today next topic is continue female reproductive system. So female reproductive system. The human female reproductive system consists of the following organs. So one is the ovaries. How many? One pair. So one pair of ovaries are present. At the same time, one pair of oviducts or fallopian tubes are present. So uterus and vagina. So ovaries, oviduct, uterus and vagina. So first one, ovaries. See, this is the diagram of female reproductive system. Vagina is there. This place we call vagina. Next one, cervix places, and this is the uterus or womb. Next one, ovary. See, here also one, here also one. So one pair of ovary. This oviduct or fallopian tube. This one, this one. So one pair of oviduct, one pair of ovary. This is the uterus, cervix, vagina. So first one, ovaries. The ovaries are located in the abdominal cavity. So that is location place. The ova develop in tiny cellular structures called Graafian follicles. Graafian follicles. ఎక్కడ అంటే ఇక్కడ చూసాం మనము. So this is the ovary. Yes, right? So here number of blocks are there. Blocks. ఎలా అంటే so this is the ovary. So here in this one have number of blocks. So every 1, 2, 3, 4 I think. So this one we call Graafian. Graafian follicles అంటాం. Every Graafian follicles they produce ova. This one. So one ova is released. This one. So Graafian follicles are present. Ovary present in a Graafian follicles. So here, so the ovary contain Graafian follicles are present. Each follicle contain a single ovum. So ఇప్పుడు మనం సో ఈచ్ వన్ ఇక్కడ ఈకున్న బాక్సెస్లో ఒక ఓవిల్ ఉంటుంది. సి ఈచ్ గ్రాఫియన్ ఫోలికిల్ కంటైన్ వన్ ఓవా. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఓవా. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్ ఓవా. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎవ్రీ గ్రాఫియన్ ఫోలికిల్స్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 4 ఉన్నాయి. సో ఈచ్ గ్రాఫియన్ ఫోలికిల్ కంటైన్ వన్ ఓవా. సో one Graafian follicle means one ova. So when ova is matured and these Graafian follicles are broken down, the ova is released. So ova release ayindi. Ova is released. So we call ovulation antunna. So after maturation of ova, so the Graafian follicles are broken down, the ova is released. See here. So this is the ova anukunnam. So the ova is released. So these ova is entered in the oviduct, right? Next one, oviduct or fallopian tube. So generally the ova is enter the winded funnel or oviduct or fallopian tube. See, so ova is released. These ova is entered in the funnel-like structure. ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా, funnel-like structure of oviduct or fallopian tube కి release అవుతుంది. So the fallopian tube that extends from the neighborhood of an ovary to the muscular thick walled uterus. అంటే ఇక్కడ the fallopian tube is connected to ovary to, so this is the muscular structure of uterus. So the fallopian tube connect to the ovary to uterus, right? Fertilization occurs as the ovum pass through the fallopian tubes, thus begins new life. So after when sperms are enter into the female reproductive system, so these sperms to fuse with the ova. So ova తో fuse అవుతుంది ఏంటి? sperms. ఎప్పుడు? when reproduction time. So when reproduction time, the sperms are enter into the vagina places. After that, these sperms to reach and to fuse with the ova. That is called fertilization. ఫ్యూజన్ ఆఫ్ మేల్ అండ్ ఫీమేల్ గ్యామెట్ వీ ఈక్వల్ ఫర్టిలైజేషన్ చెప్పుకున్నాం లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో, రైట్? ఇక్కడ మేల్ గ్యామెట్ ఏంటి? స్పర్మ్. ఫీమేల్ గ్యామెట్ ఏంటి? ఓవా. సో ఓవరీల్ ఈజ్ ఓవా. సో ఫ్యూజన్ ఆఫ్ మేల్ అండ్ ఫీమేల్ గ్యామెట్ we call fertilization, right? After fusion of both nuclei, the ova transfer to the zygote. Yes or no? Yeah. After fertilization, the ova to change to zygote. See this picture? Yeah. So see here, the sperms are enter into the female reproductive system. So these, see, sperms are entered through vagina places. So these sperms to travel because of this is a muscular system. See, soft and thick lining of uterus places. So these sperms are to travel to the left and right ovaries. Why? Because of where the ova is present. ఆ ఓవా దగ్గరికి ఆర్ ఎగ్స్ దగ్గరికి ట్రావెల్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి, రైట్? సీ హియర్. సో దీస్ ఎగ్స్ మీన్స్ స్పర్మ్స్ ఆర్ టు ట్రావెల్ టు రీచ్ ద వేర్ ద ఎగ్ ఈస్ ప్రజెంట్. See, the sperms and egg to fuse to form a zygote. See, fertilization takes place to form a fertilized egg. Fusion of male and female gamete we call fertilization. That is we call zygote. Right? Yeah, this is the fertilization where the process means the fertilization not occur in the uterus places, occur in the where the ova is present. See students, one more picture. After fertilization or when the form of zygote. Zygote అంటే ఏంటి ఇక్కడ అన్ని 2n కదా, 2n. So after fusion of male and female gamete or male nucleus, female nucleus, that is called 2 nucleus. After that, several division, mitosis and meiosis, several division, the zygote to change to a small bulb. See here, see clearly here I gave picture also. See, one cell divided into 2 cells. See, 1 and 2. So 2 cells, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to 8, 8 to 16. So multiply. So multiply. See? Yeah, see. Zygote divides repeatedly to form a ball of cells which moves down to the oviduct. Yes, right? So oviduct nunchi, so number of, that means the zygote is to travel at the same time through division of zygote to form a small tissue. See, ball or cells which moves down. So small tissue. A ball of hundreds of cells is formed. 100 cells అంటే ఇక్కడ a small tissue. It is now called an embryo అంటున్నాం. So zygote after fertilization, fertilize నుంచి zygote to embryo. Embryo అంటే small tissue. They have number of cells. Right? Yeah. So next one is the uterus. So it is inverted pear-shaped structure. So it is a inverted pear-shaped structure of uterus. After, so this ball is stuck to the, if any suitable places. So this ball so stuck to the any suitable places for the developed. Developed means, so the baby they have, so means fetus antunnam. What is fetus here means? See, the baby is covered by, because of after fertilization zygote form, zygote to several division of we call it is a embryo to fully developed. That means a rapidly divide of number of cells to form. So it can form the in all organs, hands and legs and head. So small organs are developed. So we call fetus. So 9 months of pregnancy we call fetus antunnam. So these fetus is covered by many layers are there. See, this is the uterus places. Uterus. So these fetus covered by placenta liquid is present. This is the placenta liquid fluid is there. So umbilical cord means connecting to the, is it look like a one tube. These tube is connect to the baby to mother womb. Baby to mother womb. That we call umbilical cord antunnam. From present nowadays you can observe in hospitals. అక్కడ ఫీటస్ మీన్స్ అంబిలికల్ కార్డ్ ఉన్న ఫీటస్ని సెల్స్ స్టోర్ చేస్తుంటారు. సో దీ సెల్స్ ఆర్ టు స్టోర్డ్ ఇన్ ఏ ల్యాబొరేటరీ కండిషన్ for future purpose. Future lo each which means if any disease attack the baby, any disease will cure through, because of the already when the baby is delivered time, the doctors will collect the fetus means umbilical cord cells, the storage in a play in a laboratory. So in the future purpose, because of in the future the baby got any or getting any diseases, so they cure with the help of umbilical cord cells, right? So next, this is the embryo or water so this is a fluid. సో మనం ఉమ్మిని అంటాం కదా, దట్ ఈస్ వీ కాల్ వాటరీ లిక్విడ్స్ కవర్డ్ బై ప్లాసెంటా. సో ఆఫ్టర్ 9 months the baby will delivered to the vagina places. So a new baby is enter our world. So mothers give baby, right? Yeah. See students, what is zygote, what is embryo, what is the fetus differentiation? Yeah, zygote means fusion of male and female gametes. See nucleus, two nucleus, male nucleus and female nucleus. So both nucleus to fused form a zygote. Embryo means development of small organs, we call embryo. Fetus, so organs are well developed, organs are well developed, so we call fetus, right? This is the zygote, embryo. Sorry, here means embryo means a ball like structures, still organs are starting for growth, but a fetus, a full development of organs, we call fetus and so on. So when the mother will get 9 months period or 280 days, the small baby will enter our world. So that is we call delivery time. What happens without reproduction? ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పుకున్నాం ఇంత మనం. సో ఆఫ్టర్ రిప్రొడక్షన్ మీన్స్ ఫ్యూజన్ ఆఫ్ మేల్ అండ్ ఫీమేల్ గ్యామెట్ టు ఫ్యూజ్ టు ఫార్మ్ ఏ జైగోట్, ఎంబ్రియో అండ్ ఫీటస్, స్మాల్ బేబీ అనుకున్నాం. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ వితౌట్ మీన్స్ reproduction not occur. What happen? See here. So the egg is released through the oviduct. So when they reach to the uterus places, reproduction will not occur. That time these ovary will broken down. See the thick lining of uterus broken down. The ovaries are ovary is broken down along with the uterus wall. These water, liquid like water, are bleeding. So they will come out of the female reproductive system. It is called bleeding and now. So in cases the egg cell is not fertilized, the thick uterus lining breaks down, leading to the bleeding. This is called menstruation cycle antunnam or periods antunnam. So every month it is a common for the women or females, right? Ippudu when not fertilized or not reproduction time, so they can, so normally every month one ovum is released. So this is not ovum, not fertilized with the sperms. So these sperms ovum is broken down. So walls of the uterus along with the water walls of the uterus will come out of the female reproductive system. That is called bleeding or menstruation cycle and now, right? So this is the female reproductive system. Reproduction without reproduction, what happened? So that is the one. Okay students, thank you.